Hello everyone, Jim here. Are you expecting a nice, big, fat refund from the IRS this year? And are you anticipating that you're going to have it maybe in a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, but quickly? Well, millions of families will wait longer for their tax refunds this year, according to the IRS. United States residents born between 1936 and 1966 are in for a big surprise. Well, first and foremost, if you were born in 1936, are you still bearing children? You'd be a grandpa or a grandma by then, or maybe even a great grandparent. And as far as it being a big surprise, I guess the cat's out of the bag now. For most taxpayers, the start of the tax season usually means receiving a sizable refund check that can go towards savings, long-needed car repairs, oh, I know that song, or a treat such as a vacation. But this year, tens of millions of taxpayers will have to wait longer for that windfall. As part of a law meant to cut down on tax fraud, the IRS will hold refunds for taxpayers claiming the Earned Income Tax Credit or the Additional Child Tax Credit until at least February 15th. And because of holidays and weekends, those refunds may not actually land in people's bank accounts until closer to the end of the month, the IRS estimates. For many customers, the tax refund is the largest single financial transaction they'll do all year, says Brian Ashcraft, Director of Tax Compliance for Liberty Tax Service. He continues, so it can really have an impact on them. Yeah, I guess it might. Anyway, both credits have been a big target of fraudsters in the past because of the potential to cash in lucrative refunds. The EITC is a tax break claimed by workers with low to moderate incomes. The credit maxes out at $6,269 this year for families with 3 or more children. The additional child tax credit is claimed by taxpayers who have children and who meet certain income requirements. That credit maxes out at $1,000 per child. The credits are refundable, meaning taxpayers can have the tax breaks paid out as a tax refund even if they don't owe any taxes. The move is expected to give the IRS more time to verify tax returns before it cuts the checks. Some 24% of the EITC payments made in 2015 were erroneous, leading to $15.6 billion in improper payments, according to the Treasury Inspector General for Tax Administration, which oversees the IRS. Some of those errors happen by mistake because the credit is complicated, and others are caused by taxpayers purposely trying to claim larger refunds, the agency says. Really? People do that? They try to claim larger refunds? They cheat? No, that can't be true. Anyway, roughly 30 million tax refunds claim the Earned Income Tax Credit or the Additional Child Tax Credit each year, and about half of those returns are filed before February 15th, according to estimates from H&R Block. Despite the change, people should still file their returns early, tax preparers and the IRS say, to give the IRS more time to review the documents and to avoid further delays with their refund checks. Consumers affected by the delays should keep in mind that status updates for when their tax refunds will arrive may not be available on the IRS's "Where the heck is my refund? It's been 3 months" tool until after February 15th. Down below here in the article, there are some helpful tips that you can read and about filing your tax refunds, of course. Your tax returns, I should say. Anyway, I will leave a link to this article. And as always, I ask you to hit the subscribe button. And that's all I have for the moment. This is Jim signing out. God bless you, and we'll see you soon.